is still going to move to your north there, Jen. Just to your north and just north of
we
Humboldt.
got inflow. We got inflow. Whoa. Yeah, baby.
This is clearly becoming two areas of rotation if I'm when I look on velocities now.
Iowa local storm report from Spencer in Clay County.
Can you see it on the stream
Iowa.
there?
Hail magnitude estimated 0.88 inches. Reported by public.
Yeah, that's what we're looking for. And can confirm this is definitely splitting off into what looks to be twins.
Oh, I think I can see something. Hold on.
You can see it.
There it is. Look at there.
There's the nadir.
Isn't that nice?
We got a nadir right there. There is a report.
Yes, there is. There is a report.
Pocahontas, tornado 2 miles north of C49 and M65 moving east-northeast.
Southeastern Rockwall County in north.
Jen, I'm pretty sure that's what we're looking at right there is what was reported.
Central Texas.
I think that's the winner. It's actually connected to the ground and is a funnel. Obviously, I can't fully confirm that yet, so that doesn't mean a whole lot, but that's what it looks like from my vantage point here.
There's a view of the whole thing.
For Coryell County in central Texas. Severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Leon County in southwestern Minnesota.